Hi, my name is Greg, and in this course I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about Canva and how to use Canva the smart way so you can create better designs and so that you can crush your content marketing. For the past 2 decades, I've made my living as a designer, a programmer, a photographer, a blogger, and an entrepreneur. During that same time, I've gone from single guy to married guy to father of 2, and now father of 3. So believe me, I understand the struggle of getting everything done in a given day. It's a struggle we all share. That's why in this course I want to help you achieve Canva mastery, but also I want to help you adopt a smart workflow that will continually give you back time, the most precious resource we all have. When I first discovered Canva, I was skeptical. With years and years of experience in programs like Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign, I wasn't sure Canva had anything to offer me. But I decided to give it a try anyway, and I was instantly hooked. Don't get me wrong, I still love those other programs, but it's about finding the right tool for the right job, and when it comes to creating high-quality designs and marketing assets quickly, Canva really excels. We'll start in this course by first laying a foundation for success by going over all the little things that commonly trip people up and slow down their workflow. Then we'll move on to mastering each element of the project interface, and on from there to tackling lots of real-world projects. From media kits to social media graphics to ebooks to animations to videos, we'll cover everything that matters. And when the course is completed, you'll be able to use Canva to create any sort of design that you need for your blog, your business, or your clients. Just as importantly, throughout the course, we'll continually learn and reinforce smart workflow tricks that will take you from just using Canva templates to creating your own custom templates that you can use again and again to create better designs and better marketing assets in less time. So if you're tired of the time suck of the dreaded blank page, the steep learning curve of other design software, creating designs that, well, just aren't very good, and you're ready to create better designs, better marketing assets, and you're ready to have the mastery of Canva, which allows you to create all the assets you need in support of your business, then this is the course for you. It's not just about mastering Canva for your business, it's about taking back time for the things that really matter. If you're ready to take that step, then I look forward to seeing you on the inside.